Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading MEP consultant in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience and expertise in the field of mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, MEP, engineering, Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. The company offers a wide range of services including design, installation, and maintenance of MEP systems for residential, commercial, and industrial projects. As an MEP consultant, Scon Design India Private Ltd plays a crucial role in ensuring the smooth functioning of various building systems. They work closely with architects, contractors, and other stakeholders to design efficient and cost-effective MEP systems that meet the specific requirements of each project. Their team of highly skilled engineers and technicians use advanced software and tools to develop detailed designs and plans for a wide range of MEP systems including HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, electrical distribution, plumbing, fire protection, and more. One of the key strengths of Scon Design India Private Ltd is their ability to provide innovative solutions to complex MEP challenges. They have a deep understanding of local regulations and industry standards, which allows them to design MEP systems that comply with all relevant codes and guidelines. Scon Design India Private Ltd is known for its commitment to quality and timely delivery. They follow a systematic approach to MEP consulting, starting from the initial concept development stage to the final installation and commissioning of the systems. Overall, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a trusted MEP consultant in Marathahalli, Bangalore that offers a wide range of services to meet the unique needs of each project. With their technical expertise, commitment to quality, and innovative solutions, they have established themselves as a reliable partner for all MEP consulting needs. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing consultant in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience in the industry, they are known for their expertise in providing comprehensive solutions for all MEP requirements. As a trusted partner, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers a range of services that include design, installation, and maintenance of MEP systems for residential, commercial, and industrial projects. Their team of highly skilled professionals ensures that every project is executed with precision and adheres to the highest standards of quality and safety. As an MEP consultant, Scon Design India Private Ltd plays a crucial role in the construction industry. They collaborate closely with architects, engineers, and contractors to ensure the seamless integration of MEP systems into the overall building design. Their expertise lies in designing efficient HVAC, heating, ventilation, and